Hello guys! Today video I wanna share what I ate in Philippine market today. Let's start, check it out!
Okay, we will go there for tour. So sorry for I'm here market. I wanna get some ice cream in here later, but I don't know what should I eat something in here. Oh, the one thing I love here, it's really cool now. Ah, here have a ice cream, right? Ice cream is only 29 peso. Yeah. So later I can get it. Hello, po. Yeah. Anyway, today I wanna eat street food, right? So that's why I came here. Okay, let's go. Wow, cheese stick is really different from what I ate in Korea because cheese stick is a little bit thin. Oh.
It's fat, huh?
Oh.
Very fat. May cheese stick. 1 piece, 2 pesos.
One piece, 2 peso?
Yeah.
Yeah, can I get one piece? Thank you po. Thank you. Wow, it's really hot now. Right? Really crazy.
It's so crazy.
Oh. This is my first time to eat cheese stick in here. I'm from South Korea. Yeah.
South Korea.
Yeah, South Korea.
South Korea.
Hello po. Now I'm waiting for cheese stick. Cheese stick is really famous, right? Really famous. Oh.
Budget burger press. You
Ooh.
can use it for
Wow. Yeah, this is my first time to eat cheese stick. Really excited. Yeah. Oh, really hot. Oh my god, really hot, right? Okay, I can get it. Really hot. So, can I use this? Thank you. This is cheese stick, right? Wow, it's really different from Korean cheese stick like that. So it looks like just fried, and it's inside there are cheese in here. Okay, I will get it. Oh my god, really yummy. Really good. Chili flavor is really good.
It's only cheese flavor.
Inside there are cheese. Also, outside is really crispy because of the fry, right? I like it. And sauce is really sweet, right? Also, it's really bite size, so I can eat easily. And I want to eat with beer. This one. It's really mastered up. Really mastered up. Thank you. Hello. Yeah, I'm looking around here also. Yeah. Hello, po. What is that?
Pineapple.
Pineapple juice like that.
That's lettuce.
Oh, how about this?
Liver.
This is fried liver like that.
Fried liver.
Oh, how about this?
Fried isaw.
Fried isao. Like that. How much is this one?
5 pesos.
5 peso.
Yeah.
Can I try one piece?
1 piece.
Also, I want to try pineapple juice.
10 pesos.
Okay. Wow, this is my first time to eat the pineapple juice in here. Thank you for. Wow, it's so great. Wow, pineapple is really great. Oh my god, thank you for. This is liver. Oh. It's really hot now. I'm not usually swear well, but now I swear, right? You too, right? Like that. Okay, I want to try these things for the first time. Vinegar like that. little. Okay, and then after that, maybe vinegar absorb this one. Yummy. Hi. Hello. It's really yummy. Oh my god. And outside is really crispy. Like kind of the Korean traditional sundae for liver, like that. Really yummy. Wow, it's really masala like that.
Wine.
Oh, red wine? Really? Oh, really? Korean say this and red wine combi is really good, right? Combination. Okay, later I will get it this with red wine.
Nice.
So now I will go another place to eat. Thank you.
Now you can try buko.
Okay, I will go another place. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh my god, it's so yummy.
Ice cream?
Oh,
There.
There.
it's far from here.
Just
It's
a
far
few
from
steps.
here.
No, you want
Oh, really? How much is it? This one?
10.
10? Really?
20.
Oh my god, really cheap.
Yeah.
Oh, I want to get this. Oh, where is it? Oh,
We go with you.
oh really? Thank you. Oh my god, I found ice cream in here. So I want to go there. Are you Filipino?
Yeah.
Oh, your hair is really awesome. I love your color.
I just dye in.
Oh. It's really good. Oh my god, I really want to ice cream because it's really hot, right?
Wow.
How old are you?
I'm
15.
Oh, guess my age.
19.
19? 20. It's almost.
Almost.
Oh. Wow. Oh my god, she took me. I upload this one. Oh.
enjoy.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for. Wow, here is ice cream. It's really cheap. Just 10 peso. I will get it 10 peso ice cream. Hello, Fo. Hello, Fo. Yeah, I want to get ice cream.
10.
Oh?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, what is the best in here?
We only have ma'am, vanilla.
Vanilla.
We don't have chocolate, ma'am.
Ah, okay.
Not available
Oh, I want to
today.
get this one. Thank you, Fo. Wow. Wow, thank you.
Too hot.
Oh, really wow. Hello, Fo. Only 10 peso. I wanna get 10 peso ice cream. Wow, this one. Wow. Wow, it's really good. Wow, it's so yummy. This is only 10 peso. Really affordable. Maybe if I can get this one only 10 peso, maybe I will get it every time. But here is a little bit far from my place. Wow, I'm done inside. Bye bye. Here. Hello, Fo. Hello. Oh, can I get just one? Oh, thank you. How much is it? This one. This is karaoke. What is that? Karaoke, like that. Oh, thank you, Paul. Oh, like this. Oh, get it. Thank you, Paul. Wow, this is my first time to eat karaoke. What is this? Is sugar?
Glutinous flour.
Ah, you like that. It's rice cake.
Yummy. Delicious.
Dessert. Wow, it's so sweet. And this is sugar coating.
Yeah, sugar.
Coating is sugar coating, so I really like it. Oh my god, it's really sweet. The inside is rice cake, right? Inside,
Glutinous flour.
like that. Wow. And then really clean. Thank you for. Bye bye.
Mango.
It's really yummy. Hello, phone. I speak English. Yes, that's right. Thank you. Hi, what's your name? Michelle. I love you. I'm from South Korea. I vlog. Bye bye.
Did you guys enjoy this video? I hope you did. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.